Oh snap, it's your boy Flamo. We back with another video. You know what I'm saying? Flamo back with another banger.
This is what it is. Young rich nigga. Why this is what it is. Young rich nigga.
Today's video, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be doing a little tutorial on how to get curly hair. You know what I'm saying? Just like me. I mean, my hair is kind of like messed up, as you can see. Well, I mean, in my perspective, I see it as messed up because my hair is usually looking better than this. You know what I'm saying? But like, you know, I got like that curly hair and stuff like that. And I'm gonna try to teach you guys how to get some curly hair like me. For all you guys that's trying to get curly hair, you know what I'm saying? But if you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, make sure you will comment, and also don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you can be notified when I post a new video. And that's pretty much it about what we got covered, you know what I'm saying? And let's get right into this video, man. Alright, so look, man, now before we get like right into like the hair products and stuff like that, what you gotta do to get yourself curly hair, we're gonna rinse out our hair right now because we just came back to school a couple of hours ago, and you never know, you probably got like dirt in your hair, dust or something like that. All that unwanted stuff you probably got in your hair, you just want to remove it to make sure, you know what I'm saying, get that clean, fresh hair. So we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna rinse it out, and yeah. All right, let's go. Alright, so now since we finished rinsing out our hair, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna wash our hair now to make sure it is actually clean. You know what I'm saying? We just basically rinsed it out just to like remove like the dirt and stuff like that, you know. But now we're gonna actually wash our hair, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what we'll do next. Now me, what I personally like to use, you know what I'm saying, I personally like to use the Head and Shoulders shampoo. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is it right here, the Head and Shoulders. I like to use this because it has like, it's perfect for my hair because I got that curly hair, and it actually like cleans my hair really good, you know what I'm saying? I'll put the link in the description so you guys can probably like check it out and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so we finna, and this thing is probably like leaking already, but yeah, we finna wash our hair right now, you know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Alright, man, so now since we finished rinsing, well, washing my hair, you know what I'm saying, it looks a little bit cleaner too, as you can see, you know what I'm saying? I mean, it looks a little bit cleaner, you know, you see that? It looks pretty clean. So now, since I finished washing it, I'm finna dry my hair, and then I'm gonna put like the hair products, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Now, what you wanna do is, once you're done washing your hair, you gotta make sure that your hair is completely dry. So like that, once you put the products in, it can actually get in the roots instead of like just sliding off. Because if your hair is wet, it's not really gonna get like deep down, you know what I'm saying? So we're like drying our hair right now, you know what I'm saying? And let's speed this up, you know what I'm saying? Because you're probably not gonna want to watch it, so let's speed it up. Alright, so we finished drying our hair, you know what I'm saying? Look how it turned out. It's pretty dry. You know what I'm saying? This thing's pretty dry. But yeah. So now the products that we're gonna be using is we're gonna be using Cantu. So if you guys don't know what that is, I'll put a link in the description for like Cantu products, you know what I'm saying? So we got the coconut curling cream, as you can see like right here. This is like to curl up your hair, to get your hair even more curlier. And right here we got the conditioning for like the curly hair. So we got like both products, you know what I'm saying? So we finna use both of these right now, and yeah, you know what I'm saying? This is how it looks, you know what I'm saying? It's like some white stuff, but I'm gonna get 2 fingers, you know what I'm saying, about this much, you know, about this much. So we're gonna spread it around our hand, you know what I'm saying? And then after we're done like having it all over our hands, we're just gonna like put it all over our hair, you know what I'm saying? All right, so let's do it. Alright, so we finished putting it in my hair, you know what I'm saying? Just making it shine a little bit, you know, making it shine. So now the last thing we're going to be using is we're going to be using this conditioning creamy hair lotion, you know. So we're going to use about, this wants to come out, about that much, you know what I'm saying? About that much. Okay, and now we're gonna do it in our hair again, you know. Rub it on our hands, all over our hands, and then just like put it on our hair, you know what I'm saying? So let's skip this. Much it to it, you know what I'm saying, of this little tutorial, I guess you could say, guys. And as you can see, my hair came out to be really curly, you know what I'm saying. This thing really works, 100% guarantee you this thing works. It worked for me, so it should work for you. So if like I said, guys, make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, like the video, and turn on the post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a new video, guys. And stay tuned for future videos coming, you know. I got some things I'm gonna try to make, you know what I'm saying. And we out, man.